Yeah, I was gonna say you're gonna bust right through that. Made for kids, and this guy is just. Ugh. Alright, guys, we're gonna try to attempt that purple slide here.
The stairs.
What?
The stairs.
Oh, we could have, couldn't we? Ugh. No shoes. Well, I really wish I would have just wore my slides. Well, that sucks.
You want to come up here again? We can go down that one. You can go down that one.
Yeah, which one do you want to do first? I don't know. Purple?
Okay, I'll do the green because he.
I gotta take my shoes off. I just tied these.
Not my fault.
Damn it. Michael, you son of a bitch. Alright, I got my shoes off. Let's do this. How am I even supposed to get... Oh. This is really trippy. Oh, yeah? I'm coming down, Michael. I'm coming down. Woo! Ow! Ow, my head.
You know, the kid left his shoes on, so let's just do that.
Well, I just took these off. Damn it, you know? Oh. Oh. Ow, dude. These things are shocking me.
I know. How was that? How fun was that?
That was kind of underwhelming, to be honest. I didn't really go fast.
Well, you're not lightweight anymore.
No.
Come on, Grandma.
I miss being a kid. All right, let's do the purple one real quick.
Put your shoes on.
No, I'll leave them off until we're done. Then I'll put them back on. Where is he going? This guy. What?
There's $100 in there.
No, it's not. I was gonna say, look at all that booty. Where to now? I feel like this is the boring way. This is the adult way. So, ooh, I almost fell. Okay.
Why, do you want to do that way?
No, it's fine. We already did it.
So we went down the green one.
Yeah, so now we go down the purple one. Hmm?
No, I'm not gonna make it.
Yeah, I was gonna say your shoes are you're gonna hear a lot of squeaking, like a basketball court. Come on, Michael, while we're young.
Yeah, fuck.
Getting stuck. See, this is how you can tell we're getting way too old for this.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, dude, I can hear the static. Oh my god. Dude, I'm not looking forward to that. Are you down?
Yeah.
That's it? You're down?
Yep.
No, you're not. I don't believe you. I'm gonna run into you, dude. I'm being serious.
Okay.
Are you done?
No, I'm still in here.
What are you doing?
I'm already out, fucker.
Dude, stop. You're scaring me. You sound like you're like... Oh my god.
Climbing up.
Yeah, it sounds like you're like right... Okay, I'm legit coming down now. I don't want any of us to get injured, okay? I'm coming down. Right now.
Come on.
I'm coming down right now. Here we go. Oh, this one's... Whee! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oof.
You want to go down again?
Dude, grab my feet. I can't get up.
You want to go down again?
Ugh. What's the... Oh, the blue ones. Oh, that looks like it's not gonna be...
Down again?
Yeah, let's do it again. That was fun.
What? It's sticky. I don't know.
That's what she said. Yeah, I might as well. Since we're here, let's just do the blue one.
Oh, this is short.
Here, Michael.
What?
I'm gonna throw my shoes down.
Okay.
Well. I can't breathe. Oh, that was really funny. All right, I'm coming down, Michael. Dude, I sound like what's his face from like Home Alone. He's like, Harry, I'm coming down.
That one is not that fun.
I mean, you go kind of fast though. Here, grab my feet again. Ooh. Ow! Oh, you ass! Oh. Oh.
No, you're super light on your feet.
Oh. Whoa!
Hey.
Oh, my foot! Oh! It is Wizard 101. Look at this guy. Man, so this whole area was above it. Man. Boinga, boinga, boinga. Oh. Ow. 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 Dude, how did we do this as kids? Ow. Ow. Hurry up, Michael. Hurry up. Michael, hurry up. Ow. 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 Oh. Oh, that hurt. Ow. Ow. Ow! Alright. Maybe don't throw your shoes down again.
I didn't.
Or maybe I shouldn't throw my shoes down again. Here, how about I just follow you? Ow! How about I just follow you down? Is that good? What are you
Give me a
trying
push. Give me a push.
on your head?
No, my shoulders.
Your shoulder.
Don't push that hard though.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh!
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I'm gonna shock probably.
Yep.
Oh.
Alright, I gotta grab my shoes now. Dude, you sounded like you hit your head, bro. Oh, I didn't get shocked. Alright, Cole, do not tickle my feet.
Dude, you're stuck.
I'm just fat. Thank you. Oh.
Okay, I was right. $30.
$30
$30
for that?
No, different ones. The game.
Oh.
There's 2 games.
Can you do you keep the ones? Obviously,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Okay, that's package actually. So you pay for a game, and then you have to pay for a one. There's $15.99, $17.99, $19.99. That's kind of a rip off.
Ah. You could buy the Mickey Mouse magic hat.
Yeah. Is that a restaurant though?
Yeah.
Is it good?
I don't remember. I haven't eaten there in like ages. But yeah, guys, we're gonna take a break from the Kalahari a little bit.
Kalahari.
I mean, oh my God. I mean the Great Wolf Lodge. And we're gonna check out Knuckleheads, and then across the street, I don't know if you guys can see it, the Outlet Mall. We're gonna check that out too. So, dude, the whole front of this restaurant looks like a hotel. Oh yeah, there it is. The big bouncy little thing. Oh yeah, here, look at it. They got that tornado.
I feel like I would pop that. Pretty cool thing.
Yeah.
That brings me back to the little M&M machine.
Oh yeah.
Have you ever done these?
No.
You got $2?
No. Dude, she's like, where would you like to go?
I said, you wanna go?
American Eagle?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Go.
We gotta save the world though. Get in, Michael. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like shit. But damn, it looks so good. This building has such a cool design. It's like if Lincoln Logs were on steroids. I think Michael's chilling in the hot tub. What a guy.
Oh boy.
Dude, major 360. Alright guys, I've tried this, but I haven't tried this yet, so I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna see what's happening here. It really sucks with the plastic fork. I'm trying to like keeps bending and shit.
Look at this big piece of cheese.
Keeps bending, bro.
Look at this big piece of cheese.
Yo! That's what you want right there. Okay, here we go.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Really?
Wait. Is that the pretzel?
Yeah.
Yo, what is that? Looks like a little turd. That is sad. When they were giving you a pretzel, I thought it was gonna be like a pretzel. Pretzel. Everybody say bye, room. Oh my god. I'll be right behind you, Michael. But not in the gay way.
Oh, you're not going backwards?
No, I am going backwards too. Here, take the bag.
Put it on my foot. Put it on my foot. I'm slipping.
Your what?
Put it on my foot.
Here. There. Oh my god. Yo, guys, I think he dead. You okay, Michael? Am I safe to go down?
Yeah, come on.
Alright, here I come. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Ow.
Bro, I hit my head on the...
Oh, guys, that was fun. All right. Yep. Oh my god. Yo. Michael, I'm gonna throw my bag down. Are you good?
I farted.
Are you good though?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna throw my bag down.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna come down, okay?
No, not yet.
Oh my god, I'm slipping. Michael, I'm slipping.
Okay, come on.
Am I good now? Yep. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Going down purple.
Oh. So I lost my keys in this one. Oh. You know. Can I try looking for it?
I gotta go up there.
Yeah, I think I lost my keys in there.
Nice going,
I gotta.
dude. I know.
Hey! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! Wait, don't push me. Oh. Wait, Michael, I'm not ready. Oh my God, Michael. What are you doing? What the?
I gotta make sure you figure everything, not just stuff alone.
You dropped the GoPro?
Dude, get out, I gotta make sure.
Ow. Dude, you dropped the GoPro? Oh. Parkour. Parkour. Alright. Look at us. Grown ass adults going down kids' slides. Who are we, Michael?
I don't know, I feel like I got everything.
Alright, I think I need my keys and I'm good. Thanks, babe. I think I got a boo-boo from the slide. Well, guys, that concludes our trip. It's windy, I'm sorry. Did you have a good time, Michael?
Yup.
Same. We'll definitely be back. But we're gonna go back January to the wilderness. I'm gonna stop at McDonald's. Ooh, that was hard to open. It's windy out. There we go. Next seat. Ow.
Messy midrib.
Yeah, how does that look compared to the commercials? Let's see that. Oh, dude.
Take the next right onto Gaza Road, then turn right onto US 12 East.
Oh. Bye, Great Wolf. See you soon.
Never.
I don't know when, but soon. Pizza Ranch. We'll go there next time.
Nope.
Yep. Yep. We're gonna go there.
Take
We'll
the
eat
next
something
right
else
onto
then.
US 12
Yeah.
East, I-90 alternate.
See you later, bitches.
In a quarter mile, use the right lane to take the I-90 East, I-94 East ramp.
Towards Madison. Yeah. Alright. Bye, Cracker Barrel. Bye, Barrel. Bye, Wizard Quest. Bye, everyone. Bye, Tornado. Dude, that shit was fun.
Yeah, we never had to go on
Use the
that.
right lane to take
that was
the I-90
fun.
East ramp.